Ever since I got my first hit song, getting
What's up, guys? Good to have you all. Good to have you all.
since I got famous.
Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Traders. This is a trading assembly. You know how we do it every night. It's a fresh week. So let us see what the market's got for us. It's a lifestyle. I am trading binary options and I am on gold OTC charts. Let us see what the market's got. Faison, good to see you. How are you doing? Tell me how is your day moving for you?
Many girls will they come find me, I know get time.
But in the meantime,
come give me something we go ginger.
Give it to me what I mean back.
Nothing will go be too hinder my love for you.
Diva, I go fly to Ibiza. Guys, this is my first entry. Let us see how it closes. Tell me, traders, how have you spent your day today? Today I had a lot of things to do, but I'm glad I accomplished all. Yeah, so I feel accomplished right now. Do you have any traders that looked at their charts today? I mean, it's a fresh week. It's a fresh week. You're supposed to be moving markets already. That's the point of locking in. Locking in means you show up every day. My strategy is simple, it's perception. So let's keep buying this market. Romeo, good to see ya. Good to see you. Good to see ya.
And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the top. See many people there outside where they feed man's oboe. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo.
I can say she want
Netflix and chill. So I chat get even money. If you fall in love, Kelly satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see people, I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, not fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it.
happiness.
If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right.
All I care for the night. Traders, tell me how is your day moving for you? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? Actually, today I had some time to interact with some traders, so it's been a beautiful day. It's been a busy day for me, but still very beautiful. I really enjoy catching up with fellow traders. It really satisfies my heart. So today I had some time off with some traders. Of course, my friends that I started with trading. And so far everything is moving well.
If we had money past you, if you're not careful.
Oh man. Check our first loss for night.
If we had money past you, if you're not careful. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go back to me.
All I care for the night.
If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go back to me. All I care for the night.
Yeah, let us get more entries. It's still a fresh night. Yeah, actually, traders, just a single loss shouldn't make you feel bad about trading. The key is to making sure that if you're taking a loss from the market, I mean, you never certain that you're going to take a loss or a profit. What you have to do is to manage your risk well. What you do, you have to manage your risk well. Something is up. Tell me, Tibar from Budapest, good to see ya. Good to see you. Wesley. Nas, good to see you all, guys. Good to have you all. How's today been? It's a fresh week. Alright, guys, let us first change up here. World is not moving in the way we want it to move. Let us first watch this.
Why she talking crazy about me like I'm do more than my part? I can't play with my creation, get a word of my little boy. I've been saving more than I've been spending, that's what I be on. I'm a human, I'm not perfect, I know sometimes I be wrong. I need some of this. No, don't give him no more. You're not gonna be able to.
Right, Stella's already giving us movement. Damn.
Don't be running from it. If I like it, I spend money.
This is getting crazy. This is getting crazy.
Your business, I do real shit. I try cash at the dealership. They'll mail you pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails did and her wig fixed.
Let us risk it all. We are gonna risk it all on these cells and see how it goes.
Marco been in prison for a while, but he still flake. I told Brody them to party car, but they still wreck. I don't think nobody around still, but I still check. I don't got 100 million. I can't chill yet, but don't get it misconstrued.
Okay, I'm believing that we're already moving well. We're already moving well.
We have real sex, have nobody in our business. We take little checks. She like when I perform, so I fuck her with my chains on and she had no applause, so I let her play the main role. I had to get rich for these.
Guys, are you watching the market with me? Are you fully locked in on the chat? I need you fully locked in so that when I'm explaining something, you can easily catch you and oh my god, sometimes I really be missing you guys. So tell me, how has your day been?
I do real shit. I try cash at the dealership. They'll mail you pink slip.
Alright, I'm loving how Prude is moving, honestly. I'm loving it. I'm loving how we are moving here now. I mean, all I'm doing is executing sales, following the trend, and it is really paying off. It's really paying off. Are you seeing this, guys? It's paying off. Saying good to see ya, Emmanuel. Donations are gonna happen in a few. All you have to do is to lock in. I mean, they have to happen. All you have to do is to lock in. Papito, good to see ya. Silver, good to have you. Singing, guys, good to have you all. It's a fresh week. Traders, tell me, how has your week been? I mean, you know, weekends are for setting up the motion for the week, and when the markets open, you trade. Most of you don't trade weekends, but me, I take no day offs, for real. I prefer showing up every day because I have goals to hit, to reach, and also, I mean, I can't just be there when I'm not trading. I'm really milking on this bearish market, honestly. Are you seeing this? We are really milking. Yeah. This is the easiest way you can trade as a beginner, is by just following the trend. You can see this chart is really moving down. It's really moving down, so let's see how it goes. Let's see if we can get any other opportunity.
Other people hating, I'm on top, I bulletproof the car. All the members make free bags, I pack live like they cracking cards. You know for a fact, I keep it real, still ain't take the chart. Why she talking crazy about me like I'm do more than my part? I can't play with my creation, get a word of my little boy. I've been saving more than I.
Traders, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. So feel free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. Currently, I'm looking at a chart of crude oil OTC. The market is bearish, clear market structure. So let's see if we can get any other entry. Whenever you're in a bearish market, you have two options. Either to take continuation trades, those that are aligned with that trend, or you take pullback entries, and those are the trades where the market is pulling back. Pullbacks happen in a trading market when the market has just immediately taken off growth of structure and we start anticipating a pullback. Currently, I'm in a pullback entry. You can see it. Wow, we got it on the right time. We got to do this pullback on the right time. It has really worked well for us.
Ain't had to get rich for these problems, deal with the same folks. And I can't beef with none of you niggas, not in the same boat. Never gonna get caught up about it, know how the game goes. 10 chain, but she look like rainbows. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me. Put your figures in your business. I do real shit. I drop cash at the dealership. They'll mail you pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails in and her wig fit. When the chillin' that way, held me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double door.
Alexander, good to see you, my dear.
But he still flex. I'm like, come and put that pussy on.
Aldacy, oh my god, sometimes the names are hard, but good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Charles, good to see ya. Good to it's always nice to have you all, guys. Much love from here. Tell me, do you have any traders that looked at their charts today? Share your experience. How has it been? How was your trading session? Did it go well for you? Edinas, good to see you. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. As traders, we are here to learn and share with. We are here to learn and share our own experiences. That's how it should be. Traders are supposed to be united. Yes, guys, I do trade. For people, and if you want to be part of that, it is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description, and you surely be part of the participants that I'm going to be trading for tonight. I made sure that Northside still bad things. There's a lot of bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Sandy, good to see ya. Traders, tell me anyone who moved the markets today. Cameron, good to see ya. Cat Lover, good to have you. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it. The minimum for donations is 400, guys. You can use the donation link down in the description. It's gonna take you to the donation page for more details. And you can also write to me via Telegram. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram if you need more help. I'll surely get back to you. Someone watching this shit close. Hey. Let us watch out and get another move. Oh my god, guys, how are you feeling this week? Somehow I'm really anticipating great from this week. I'm really anticipating great moves. Great stuff from the market. That's the mood I have for this week. So I'm just hoping everything moves well. You know the markets. When it comes to trading, we can never have 100% certainty. But I'm really anticipating great moves from the market this week. Let me see how I'm gonna be looking in. Yeah. Right. Mason, good to see ya. Thank you for the compliment. I don't got anybody to help me, so I must win. Right. For my life every day, my dream is just to win. Me, I don't got anybody to help me, so I must win. I'm in the boy back and the go.
Nobody really knows tomorrow. These days, everything.
Cameron, tell me, are you still writing down your trading plan? Are you still writing down your trading plan?
Because for my life is so special. Born to win. I don't get anybody to love me, so I must win. Right. For my life every day, my dream is just to win. Me, I don't have anyone to support me, so I must win.
This is already going against me as I had anticipated. Hey, Baya, seems like you are onto something. Let us watch out and see if they're going to really move the market to make another structure. Guys, like I always tell you, whenever you're trading with price action, you have to continuously be looking at market structure. Honestly, if you are able to understand market structure, you're able to see the turning points in the market. It's gonna be easier for you to come to an execution entry. Because if you're really looking at structure, it's giving you bullish. You're either going to be looking at areas where you can either take a continuation entry or areas where you're gonna be taking reversal or pullback entries. That's how it should be. So continuously looking at the current market structure is important for your next entry. It's just natural. For your next entry, you have to be understanding the most recent structure. So any traders that are trading like that, share your experience. How do you find trading when you're just looking at market structure? Does it make sense to you? I'm born to win.
Wicked and weakness. You gotta see this. Yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances.
Traders, tell me, how do you feel when you're trading with market structure? Is it the same? Do you always go like that? Honestly, I love trading when I know the previous high and the previous low, where they are in the market, because that is going to direct my next entry. That is really going to direct my next entry.
AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. Eat up your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes phone. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest phone. My left stroke just
Went viral.
right stroke, put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Tell them be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble.
Applying market structure actually gives you confidence to make entries. Alright, Osha, I got you. Yeah, to be honest, I also find it like that. Knowing the most recent high and the most recent low in the markets, and also knowing that I'm dealing with this kind of market, I'm in a bullish market, then I know where the highs and the lows are standing. It's really important for a pure price action trader. It helps you to make trading decisions easier. So guys, our account has grown, and you know how we do it. We start risking small and we increase as the account goes. That's how we are handling risk management of this trading assembly. That's how we are handling risk management.
I stay modest about it, ayy. She elaborated, ayy. This that great poop on that AV on that TED talk, ayy. Watch my soul speak, you let the meds talk, ayy. If I kill it, it won't be the alcohol, ayy. I'm the realest, after all. Tell them be humble, sit down, be humble, sit down, be humble. Tell them sit down, be humble, sit down, be humble. Sit down, be humble, sit down, be humble, sit down,
Oh my god, sorry about that, guys. It's alright. Damn. Funny thing about trading, the markets can easily switch up on you. That's why risk management is purely important. It's a very big aspect that any trader should carry on. There are some days when you just know it is only risk management that has saved you. And by that I mean you could have risked the entire account, because there are moments when you are trading, when you have that feeling that you're so sure that this entry is going to work out. It happens all the time. It is natural. I mean, we are humans, and you would feel like you would want to risk it all. But that's when risk management is gonna save you in case things go against you. Yeah, there are always those entries that I take and I know this is really gonna work out. And the market, of course, the market should always be the market, because every moment in the market is unique. So even when you could have executed on the same entry model, sometimes it can be taken out. And guys, do you know that whenever you're trading, most of the times the market is also reacting according to our psychology? Yeah, let me hope that you get. So that's why you find that every moment in the market is unique, because traders all the time, they are also not trading exactly the same way. So that's why you may find you may enter and everything is right, but this time around the market takes you out. It's all because of that. Sometimes the market is reacting to trader psychology or how they feel about the market. Teach me how to duck. 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 Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my duggy. Teach me how to duck. 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 Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my duggy. Back of the party, I don't really like the biggie. I'ma put up in the way and try to meet a red bone. She do her duggy and every girl hating, but I'm thinking about escaping with her to head home. She got a friend, so it's a two-man, and I wanna run it even if her legs long. She like you hubby, I think she love me, but I changed the subject and I do my duggy. All the bros call me lucky cause they see the girl I'm with and she ready, so we rushing. I turned off my kick cause I don't wanna hear no fussing. Cali swag got them haters. Alright, let us capitalize here and move and move. Star made the beat, I just took it out the oven. I just see the Dougie when everybody clubbing and they yell CSG. You don't hear my line no more. Oh, you don't make it ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring. Should I call first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get in touch with. And you ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know a number to dial. You quick and that's it, I'ma throw in the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, then the text with your nose so your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass, but I still wake up to miss calls from your ass. No more. Oh, you don't make it ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring. Nah, nigga, now you won't have to call me. Cause I'm looking at this message. Alright, I'm singing Nebraska, Godwin, Pile. Oh my god. Oh, Messiah, Vivian. Guys, good to have you. Welcome to the Trading Assembly. Tell me, how are you doing? How are you moving? Did you look at your charts today? We need to get serious that are telling me how it was for them. You don't make it real.
Used to be on my line, on my tip all the time, yeah. Love the way you make me feel like you don't mind when I ain't got time for you. You know it don't go to my head. I'm only working in bed. I just love to know you wanna spend time with me instead. Now you all caught on, yeah, you all caught up, and you done left me alone, yeah. You was all fed up, ready for the next step, wanna be on your own.
I just miss you.
I just miss us,
Damn.
baby. All I know is you don't hear my line no more. Oh, you don't make it real.
Ken, you locked in for life. Cameron, you got beat up. Oh my god, that's so bad. Sorry about that. You know the reason what led to that? Let me hope you were beat up, but you didn't blow. I mean, losses are part of our game. There is no shame to that. But whenever you really take a loss, you're supposed to really find out what could have caused it, so that the next time you're in the market, you don't repeat the same mistake. What could have caused that? Messiah, you've been learning, but not as profitable. I also, guys, I didn't start out as a profitable trader, so it's all about understanding that trading is a journey and a process. The more you're fully locked in practicing, the shorter it's gonna get for you. I feel like it really took me quite some time to become profitable. So that's why I really tell you guys, if you're more consistent than I was, because honestly, lack of consistency is one of the reasons that delayed my profitability. I believe it can get better. Losses are really part of this game, and as long as you're just trading and getting some profit, you're better off than any trader who knows that they are traders, but they are not really doing anything about it. They are just looking at the market once in a while.
Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. I'd like to think you feel the same way, but I can't tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. Oh my already gave.
Someone wants to take me to Zanzibar for lecture. Guys, I share my strategy online. My strategy shared online. I have videos on this channel talking about my strategy. So honestly, I appreciate that, but you're always free to ask any trading question on this stream. Because why not? And guys, one thing I can do to remind you is when you learn something, please practice. Yeah, do practice it. That is how you're going to really, your skill is going to develop. So even if I come to you or what, if you really do not, we could share something one-on-one, but if you don't put it in practice, still it will make no difference. The key is to sit down and you analyze the market in your own eyes if you really look forward to being a profitable trader and being profitable. That is it. As long as you plan to be trading for yourself, that's how trading should always be. It is you doing the work. Oh my. Okay, let us buy again because I strongly feel buyers are gonna still be in the markets at this zone.
Girl, won't you be mine? Where you there? She a fit see you today. In your body, feel cut in my wire. All about you to find. Some banana like monkey, body sweeter than cookie. Slowly roll it down like your speed. No, they take off far from me. Surely go down, down for me. Waiting goes so far, now money. Girl, no bother, it's all on me. You're too short, enter for me.
No risk, no Ferrari. When I see that search, it's what really sometimes has to keep on moving you. Of course, yes, we have to handle risk, but to be honest, if you can really see a move in the market, capitalize on it. Don't hesitate to capitalize. Always capitalize if you get an opportunity. Yeah, no lie. That has to be part of a trader. You should know when to capitalize and when to just take a few trades. Body sweeter than coffee. You're just breaking out of bad habits. That's good. As long as you actually know how best you can do it. I myself, I had also got bad trading habits, and by that I mean risking my entire account. Honestly, that is the worst thing that can happen to any trader. Not handling your risk. But if you want to get to the good side of trading, it starts with knowing that this trading I'm doing, it is my personal, it's personal to me, nothing else to prove. So it's up to me to actually get the skill the right way. Because believe me, once you have the trading skill, and if they wake you at what time to really look at the markets, it's gonna just take you a few minutes to analyze the market and really get. At least I know you can easily get a move, because that's what really.
It's funny, the shop put on the song ain't gonna sound nothing like the shit we doing. Yeah, I am bad to the bad. I am my young time. I say, I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit. Put the burgers down and picked up the jiggers. Tommy in the fucking Tommy Hill.
Guys, good to have you all. Feel free to ask any trading question. Yeah, you're saying that because of the YouTube time lag. That's why, guys, whenever you're on the stream, focus on learning, asking trading question. You don't trade with me because of the YouTube time lag. You guys, good to see ya. You guys are interesting sometimes. Oh my God. Honestly, by the guys, today I really had a great time with fellow traders. You know, whenever I hang out with fellow traders, I really get to know and remember how we were starting out, when we were starting out to trade, and how far we have come. And honestly, I appreciate the fact that I didn't give up. Yeah, I look back and I look now, and I really be happy that I really didn't give up. Because honestly, trading, this entire trading, the journey, the process, the markets. I know, guys, I don't know if you have moments in the market where you're trading and you see a move and you're like, damn, you miss it out, or the move takes you out, then in your head you're like, oh my God, what was I doing here? And you do realize that you are the problem sometimes. You are the problem. Yeah. Joe, good to see you. Team Prod, good to see you.
I'm the definition of a bandit.
Thank you guys. Thank you for the compliments. I really be appreciating them because I mean I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. So when someone tells me they like my hair, I really do appreciate that. Thank you. Guy, you had which moment or where you are in the market and you really laugh at yourself and you're like, damn, what was I doing here? I mean, that's why I really would want any trader to fully lock in, because there are moments you're gonna be in the market and you just laugh at yourself. I really find trading interesting, and it is really something I've been looking forward to do because of the entire experience that comes with trading. Yeah, and actually it was just today I was also appreciating the freedom that comes with trading. I mean, no one is going to force you to look at your charts. Maybe it will be your problems and your life goals that is going to force you to really look at your charts. That's the freedom that comes with also trading. I mean, it is always up to you to trade or not.
Мы все ближе к точке кипения. Никто не устоит, это эпидемия. Ни ты, ни я, без расслабления. Незнакомо нам сила притяжения. Только без напряга двигай просто так. Делай все, что хочешь, словно мистер Трамп. Все получится.
Yes, guys, my strategy is simple, pure price action, and that means I look at understanding the market trend or the market direction. Am I in a bullish or bearish market? Then market structure, and also candlestick patterns. That's it that I'm always looking out for in the market. And guys, like I always tell you, when it comes to candlestick patterns, you have to find them in key areas if you're taking entry-level entries. But also whenever you're looking at candles, you have to also get to understand the candle formations. Yeah, let me hope you get that. Like this, I'm trying to mean it. If I'm seeing a pin bar, what candles are following the pin bar for me to really make the execution? If I'm looking at engulfing candlestick patterns, which candles are really forming next to the candlestick pattern? If I'm looking at a bullish trend, is it showing strength? You can see bullish strength, or you can see any trend strength by the candles that are being printed in the market. That means if I'm in a bullish market, I would want to see strong bullish candles forming. I would want to see strong bullish candles, and by strong bullish candles, I mean they are big with less wicks. They are really following each other. Like it takes about 5 bullish candles for any bearish candle to appear in between. So if you're really analyzing the market, you have to be considering all those things. It just gives you more confidence if you're really taking an entry and you're really confirming that this is a bullish market. So if you're locking in fully with understanding the candlesticks, understanding the highs and the lows in the market, understanding what makes a bullish trend, what makes a bearish market, what makes a sideways market, and that is something you have to continuously be doing. To nobody. You have to continuously be doing that. You can start with your higher time frame, you go on your lower time frame, still the same thing. Still same thing, you're analyzing the market in the same way, just higher time frame giving you a bigger picture, so that when you're on a lower time frame, you don't linger on a trend, you can easily tell this was just a pullback happening on a higher time frame. So let me switch my mindset back to what the higher time frame was trending, and you continue like that.
She look at me and me act like me busy and she know now say me not dey busy.
Alright, I saw someone asking why do you sell on a bullish trend? Because I want. Anyways, the reason why I would sell on a bullish trend, it is because I'm taking a pullback entry. So for me to sell a bullish trend, I have to look out for a few things, which is first confirming the market has broke structure to the top side. We all know after a break of structure in the market, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. So if I'm in a bullish market, I'm anticipating sellers in the market. I will definitely take.
But she know mine to her, damn, she know want me behind her. She know I know man.
Guys, tell me, do you believe that there are better days to trade? For example, do you believe there are days like the markets are really moving well, like you would say the markets move well on Mondays, what and what? Or you don't mind any day, as long as you have a strategy you can execute. Anyways, I was still talking about taking pullback entries in a bullish market. So after knowing that there's a break of structure to the top side, I'm going to look for candlestick confirmation for me to take a bearish entry. So if you are selling, you do not just see one red candle and you anticipate that the market is already switching, giving you a bearish pullback. You would want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form with strength. That's when you only take those pullback entries in a bullish market.
Bad bitch, small waist, pretty face, having my way, have it. She let me nut on the face. Stay in your place, shut up and stay out the way.
Cameron and the guy, I really agree with you. I really agree with this. Just that sometime I was seeing someone telling me that some trader was commenting about that.
I'ma go ride the rave, I'ma go ride the rave, I'ma go ride the rave, I'ma go ride like I'm from the bay. You better watch it, babe. Better up doing what Simon say. They mad cause I caught the rave. Police they look at my license plate. They look at my jewelry when I hop out. I'm singing Amazing Grace. The feast we eat before we jump in, my nigga, we gotta say grace. My grandmama gone.
How many trades do you take in a session? Oh my god. Guys, I do not count the number of trades that I'm taking. I have no specific trades that I'm taking. What I always be looking out for, that's why I always say I talk about timing. If my session is 2 hours, that's what I'm gonna consider. That in this between this from this time to this time, I have to be trading. The number of trades doesn't matter because honestly, I feel like if you really set such targets, you may find yourself over risking because you want to hit the number of trades that you're taking, or you may find yourself also not trading because you really, let me say, if I say that every stream I'm gonna be taking 30 trades, I may also find myself limiting myself because if I've already hit 30 trades, then what? I may start playing from there.
I ride with heat, for all of my niggas deceased. Depend on gotta eat beat. A lot of us gotta eat stink. Fuck 12 nigga fast on feet.
So personally, I do not limit myself.
No flag but the ice on fleek. Working out with the bag and receipt. No clout, all facts when I speak. White rape with the red and black seas. Pulling up like a falcon with me. She gon' faint when she see the double R. When she find out Casper with me. Bad bitch, small waist, pretty face. Having my way, have it. She let me nut on the face. Stay in your place.
I really do not limit myself when it comes to the number of trades. Now, what if I say I'm gonna trade just 20 trades and the market gives me more opportunities? Do I just keep quiet and just chill? Alright, I passed out trying to trade for 6 hours. Oh. Honestly, I do believe you can trade for 6 hours if your session is more of a learning session compared to just a purely full trading session. I feel like you can do that. 6 hours trading, you may get a migraine.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I got my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. Bitches be talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M. I'm in a sticky Benz.
Yeah, 6 hours if your session involves both trading and learning, it is very okay. But I would want, anyway, any trader you're supposed to pick what is working for you, so that you should stick with. It's what you should always stick to and what is working out for you, honestly.
I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking.
I tune up when I'm drinking.
When I'm I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking.
Sorry about that.
They call me Shorty's a mega con. It ain't about the race either, it's a marathon. I put the squeeze on him, don't throw up the bees on him. That ass clapping on the D, Hercules on him. My name is Batty Daddy, I keep it tight for Daddy. He keep it coming.
Alright, let's keep moving.
I need a blunt. I own my own Moscato, bitch, we getting drunk. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Shut, I'm drinking.
It's better when I'm drinking. Traders, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn, but I also enjoy catching up with you guys. That's a sign that we are.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my pussy. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey.
Perfect Mind, good to see ya. Freezy, good to have you. David.
Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey.
This is a trading assembly. And you know how we'll be doing it. Every night we show up. It's better when I'm drinking.
I tune up when I'm drinking. When I'm I'm drinking. When I'm.
I have videos on this channel talking about my strategy. And every day I stream every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Always join the trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, we are always here to learn. Guys, there is no secret sauce. All you have to do as a trader is to fully lock in, understand the market trends, understand how the market works out, guys. Understand how a bullish market operates, what makes a bullish market, what makes a strong trend, and all the things that we are already sharing on the stream. For a strong trend, you have to be seeing candles are big. there is a bigger body in candles, and candles are really consecutive. If you're really in a bearish market, you're going to be seeing more red candles. They are big enough, tiny wicks, and if buyers are trying to show up, they are easily taken out by sellers. That is a strong trend. The other thing you're going to be looking at is understanding market structure. And when it comes to market structure, guys, the key is to understand the highs and the lows that are really making a difference in the market. And by that, I mean the strong highs that push the market down and led to a break of structure to the downside. Opposite is true for a bullish market. You're looking at a strong blow that pushed the market up to lead to a break of structure. All those things, I know, guys, they honestly seem easy, but to be honest, actually I mastered the concept of market structure in my second year of trading. You can imagine, I knew market structure, but to get the valid market structure, it's something that I mastered 2 years into trading. So pure price action is a strategy that can seem easy, and every strategy will always seem easy in theory, but applying it on the chart, that's where the work should be. And you do not just apply structure or understanding it, you have to be getting the valid things. When you start getting the valid points in the market, that's when actually you're going to switch from just a normal trader and you become a better trader, a refined trader, a super trader. That's all I can say. Because honestly, it's not like I did no trading. I knew market structure from way back, from the time I started to learn how to trade. Just I didn't understand the concept of market structure. What makes valid market structure is looking at the strong highs and the strong lows. And when you're looking at break of structure, you ensure you're looking at candle closing above that break. You're not just looking at break of structure by week, candle week. You're looking at break of structure by candle closure. All those are mechanical points that you can apply in your trading, and you're really gonna be seeing a difference. If you take a trade based on market structure that broke by a week, it's gonna be a different trade compared to a trade you have taken based on the market breaking structure by a candle closure. So basically, that's the strategy. The key is to apply it on your charts and consistently start seeing results. Because being profitable in one day and the next day your profits are taken out, you're not yet there, but you're just on the journey. You should always we're always striving for consistent profits. I want to be making profits this week, next week, throughout the year. That's how trading should be. Let's be real. You ain't got no cash.
You ain't got no dollar. They stay with that drama. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real.
Alright, guys, we are getting into the donation. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready. And you know how we do it. Let us first secure our profit. Let us first secure our profits, then in a few. We ain't got no cash.
Stay with that drama. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest.
Yeah, so
Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real.
we are ready for our first participants for tonight. Avery. Yeah, wishing luck to all the participants for tonight. So let us fully lock in.
Representing West Side. A lot of people try to tell me I'm the next guy. Back gang got it tatted by my left eye. Chain gang over here, no necktie. But you know I'm all about the business from beginning to the end. Never sipping, never slipping, sipping P-A-P-R up to the end. And if I'm in the building, know it's Kim Planks from the tenant.
Go, Grizz.
Trading. As women, there's rules we need to stand by. Stand for something to fall for anything.
Look, never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Two, anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she your enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. How to move out here, you know this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirtiest to claim to love me. I went through hella shit till we kicked up the coffee. You see how hard I grind, little bitch, don't never
Sorry about that, guys.
You fuck a nigga good enough and he gon' think he own you. The broke ones usually insecure. The
Wow, this is already moving in other. Oh my.
Best to choose the one that's real and loyal.
These are the best entries to have in honestly. These are the best entries to take.
From the leeches. The loudest is the weakest. Give a fuck.
These entries, they really make me happy, honestly. When I execute and immediately goes in my direction, most interesting part about trading is that. Let's see if we can get another move.
You can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she your enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Lay your face down with your ass out. With some nigga you can't call for nothing if you ass out. I ain't saying that me walk around here with your hand out, but just in case some shit don't really go the way you planned out. Don't go blowing bags on the bag if you can't put a bag in it. And never fuck with niggas you never see with their children. Don't never handle business decisions while in your feelings. Keep your hair and nails done and don't play around by that business. Keep everyone at your game room and bitches out of your bedroom. I see the way that he treats you and try to fuck him in the same room.
Because you execute with precision, of course. Honestly, patience is also another tool that you can really have against the market. These things seem simple until you're on you're by yourself or the chart. That's why really writing down your trading plan, that's how it's going to help. Because now trading, you literally alone. So you have to be having a detailed plan of how you're going to be executing from the beginning to the end of the session. So if you're not looking at that whenever you're trading midway or at the beginning of your session, sometimes trading can really seem crazy. Imagine just waking up, you go on your trading setup and you just start executing. I mean, you can't be the same as a person who wakes up or like who starts their trading session by really looking at what exactly they are going to be doing in the market. And by that I mean you're looking at how I'm gonna be buying, how I'm gonna be selling, how I'm gonna be risking. It is totally different. This person seems more serious compared to the person who just randomly starts their trading session. So that's the beauty of having a trading plan in front of you at the beginning of your session. In between, it just rewires your mind. Anyways, let us type congratulations to our first participant. Let us type congratulations to our first participant. Two attempts are locked in. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants. Count right away. Live.
Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success.
All right. I see someone saying that used to be you. What happened? We had a very good. You had a very good start last month.
But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still.
Funny Team Official, thank you.
Pain still lingers on mine.
Mano, I love you too. Much love from here, guys. I mean, I really love catching up with fellow traders, honestly. I love catching up with fellow traders, so much love from here.
Being broke was better. Better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next.
There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using, guys. We are on to our second participant for tonight, so let us lock in some good entries.
Touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons because they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks, turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
There's nothing in life that's better than yours. There's no such thing.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that
Never
he
be
alive.
alive. This is our trading
Fake
assembly.
niggas mad, snakes,
Feel
snakes
free
in
to
the
ask
grass,
any
let a
trading
nigga know that he
question.
arrived.
Yeah. We got nothing to lose.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your
Right, good to see ya. How are you doing? How are you doing? Henry saying thank you for not giving up. Guys, I mean, honestly, I didn't just give up because of the time I had really spent in trading and the amount of losses that I had taken from also the markets. I felt like I have to recover. And it's only natural for traders. We all feel that. We all feel the need to recover the losses. So all that is what sometimes kept me moving. Because to be honest, I really put in a lot of time when I was learning how to trade. That's one thing I can say. I really learned a lot. Anyway, anytime I would be interacting with a trader, they were most likely sharing a strategy to me. Yeah, I just reached a point and I cancelled out a few. Actually, I stopped taking in learning new things. When someone was teaching me chart patterns, you all know the bullish flag, the bearish pennant lamp, something of that sort. Yeah, someone was teaching me that. I was like, you know what? I think I have enough. Please don't teach me that concept. I feel like that's a concept I really didn't get to learn in trading. So after putting in all that time, I really couldn't just give up. So right, let me see you type congratulations. To Brima Vein, Brima. Yeah, 2 attempts are in.
Like shooting stars. I really use a wish right now. A wish right now.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him.
I told you to be
Ayy,
girl.
throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy. And this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the end, then I went did it again,
I told you long ago.
on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say,
The market is really moving down.
just tell them that the break is
Yeah, we are not complicating things here. Just looking at the market and it's moving down. The other thing is to confirm market structure. I feel like seeing the trend is something that is easy, but now getting the valid structure is really key, because sometimes not all the highs and the lows in the market really make sense. And when I was really starting out to trade, that really gave me such a hard time, to be honest, to tell between which high and low that is really making sense. So let us get our first entry. This is a continuation trade.
nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me.
Hey, it's in, it's in, it's in.
I wanna hear you say, nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. My track record
Why trading? Honestly, when it comes to picking a trading asset that I'm gonna trade, I just look forward to first understanding if the market is moving. We all know. Actually, I should just ask you guys, which markets would you prefer to trade? I don't think there is a trader who would pick a consolidating market. I don't think so. So sometimes that's what I'm always looking at for. I wouldn't want to be in a consolidating market. I would also want to be in a trendy market. So basically, that's what I'm always looking out. Is the market moving? Is the market moving in a way that I'm gonna be getting the moves? Honestly, consolidating markets are quite boring. Yeah, I would just state it like that, simple and plain. So let us get another move. But this pair is really moving, has been moving so well. Paul.
Let's get the party
Na
started.
beginner
See you at the
B.
bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that your heart was scarring. Friends to lovers need a part to star in.
Thank you.
Back outside of my mom. I was at work, so I didn't know. It wasn't my fault, I'm a mom.
You guys are crazy. You're crazy.
Back outside of my mom. was at work, so I lay low. It wasn't my fault, mama. You were out chasing a rainbow.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Damn. I'm sorry about that. That really happened so fast. Sorry about that, Finny. Let us move on to our next.
Where you going for summer? Are you out in Murphy? Facing me now. She not falling in love. Where you wanna come, Lagos? No ghost, I tell the go. No day, waiting for the ghost.
Market is one. That's true. Just one market. Let us look for another move. Just 2 items for our next participant.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday
Kids are aspiring. They are onto something.
night, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long till I
Hit that and so. Hit that and so.
got
Guys, just one attempt to go. Let us see how it's gonna be.
Just you and
Need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Oh my god. Okay, we are in with our final attempt from Moraine Star. Guys, let me see type congratulations. Our participant 2 attempts are locked in. I got you, baby. Let me see type congratulations to our participant 2 attempts are in. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away.
me and you, girl, you and me. Jump into the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. What is it the thing you ever make me feel way, girl? Free. Cause anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what you worth. You worth more than diamond, more than gold. Make the
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Joshua for Christ, good to see ya.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Right on, no. If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side? Or is your
Gonna be goodbye.
Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, shawty, would it be alright? I'ma show me that you do.
But tell me, would you ride for me?
Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me?
Oh my,
Be there to always hold me down. Tell me, would you really cry
this is
for me?
really moving well.
Baby, don't lie to me.
Low momentum. Honestly, I don't like when I execute trades, and that's when the market thinks of getting low momentum. Can be crazy.
All I want is somebody real who don't need much. A girl I know that I can trust. To be here when money low. If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be
Just one attempt to go. Just one attempt to go. And tell me, would you ride for me?
Baby, tell me would you die for me?
Would you spend your whole life for me?
Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me?
Baby, don't lie to me.
If I didn't have anything,
I wanna know, just stick around. Feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question. Guys, I have a Telegram channel and there's a link down in the description for it. Feel free to join a community of traders. We are locked in from all over the world. And the beauty about this trading assembly, as long as the markets are still opening, we are locked in for life. So it's always gonna be us against the markets.
Pull up to the club and then go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up.
It's not my fault, you wanna know me?
She told me you were just a hummer. She came down like she knew me. Gave it up like a groupie. And that's facts.
No, Brenna.
Cold nigga turn the summer to the winter. She saved me in her phone at bestie. But I had her screaming, oh. Yo, girl, wasn't supposed to text me. You wanna know how I know?
Football highlights, good to see ya. Karen, good to see ya. The Vigilance, good to see ya. Ruth, I have videos on this channel talking about my strategy. And same with this trading assembly, always free to ask any trading question. The strategy I'm using, it is price action. And with price action, I'm basically looking at understanding the market trends or the market conditions you're dealing with. We all know there are three types of markets to exist for now. We have an up trading market, a down trending market, and a sideways market. So if you know those markets, you also understand the market structure in both markets. For bullish markets, we have higher highs and higher lows. For bearish market, we have lower highs and lower lows. For a sideways market, the market is not basically making new highs and new lows. What it does, picks a particular zone and it trades in between that zone. So that's what you're always looking out for. So whenever I'm buying, I'm either buying a bullish continuation, bearish pullback, bearish continuation, bearish pullback. That's what I'm always continuously looking for on the market. Let me see type congratulations. 3 attempts are in. Get money like a supposed to be. Guys, let me see type congratulations to our participant. I want to see type congratulations. 3 attempts are locked in. Let me see more congrats from you guys. And if you want to be part of the participants, it is simple. It is very simple. Use the donation link down in the description. And surely your name will be added on the participants. Donations are not financial investments. We are here to learn from them. Yeah, we are here to learn as we are trading donations. I make a blue. Okay, we go on to our next, on to the next. Just one attempt. So let us make it count.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be.
Our first entry, our only attempt is in, guys. Oh, I don't want to look at sellers here, guys, and they are overplaying on my entry level. Oh my god. Damn. Let us refund and try again. You all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us do that. I'm on the bed. Let us try again.
I'll be free. Oh. You turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to get. I know I said it before, but all of my bridges burned out. I'm wasting my nights. You turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in my time.
This is already moving well. It's a crazy move. These are the moves that really give me happiness, honestly. There are some moves that you take from a market and you're like, yeah, this is it. Okay, let me see type congratulations to our participants. Let me see type congratulations, guys. All traders that are on the stream, type congratulations to our participants, and always feel free to ask any trading question. The best way to learn is from asking from fellow traders, and that's why we are always here to share our own experience and also learn from it.
came up from nothing, made it from the bottom. Now when you see me, I'm starting. And all of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up. Or
If
whatever.
ever have ever exist, I will be right there in your arms.
But you missed your last shot, so you talk about who you see at the top or what you could have saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom full love, valet, open doors.
More congrats, more congrats, more congrats to our participant. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. Did exist. And traders, it's a new week. So it's the best time to really lock in. It's the best time to fully lock in. Guys, lock in even when it's not making sense to you. That's one thing I can tell you. Lock in even things when they are not really making sense. Wake up, look at your charts. Anytime the time you're supposed to look at your charts, just look at them. And if I'm to make things really easier for you, if you're really struggling, you could just focus on just looking at one particular thing. I mean, we all know a strategy comprises of different confluences, but if you feel lazy and you feel like you can't, at least just get a day or a week and you're just looking at market structure, or you're just looking at understanding the trends. Believe me, the more you're really looking at the markets, the more you're going to be motivated. And we all know we are here to lock in. You're always here to lock in. Low momentum candles. Those are the worst losses to be taken out by low momentum from the market. Okay, let us refund and try again now.
And I'll write your name. Cherry lips, crystal skies. I could show you incredible things. Stolen kisses, pretty lies. You're the king, baby. I'm your queen. Find out
What you want, be that girl for a month, but the worst is yet to come.
oh no, screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, oh my god, who is she?
I want it roll up.
But you'll come
Okay, you get it.
nightmare dressed like a daydream. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you
Love the game.
me young and reckless. They'll take this way too far, it'll leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane.
Oh my god. Our second attempt has been invalidated again. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm sorry about that, gold. Yeah, sorry about that, dear. Let us move on to our next. Honestly, losses are really part of the game. Sometimes the market is just being unique. Let us see if we can get another move. They'll say you want me say.
And I'll write your name.
Hello, bitch, you can fuck with me.
If you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both.
I don't wanna choose. Guys, this is our second attempt, and I'm really loving this entry. So let us see how it goes. I'm anticipating more selling momentum from here, but at the same time, I'm still bullish. So I'm hoping the market to pull back, but also not to take out that current low, because if it does, I'll surely know that the market has switched bearish.
Just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck.
Oh my god, buyers are not giving me a chance here. Damn. Oh my lord.
Don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say ghosts.
I'm sorry about that, guys.
Look, I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with
Sailor, I'm sorry about that.
pussy feel like a lake. He wanna swim with his face. I'm like, okay, I let him get what he wants. He buy me East and LeBron, and then you whip when it go.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, traders.
No, you probably heard it.
Yeah,
Gotta be
because I know. Let us move on to our next, guys.
and I pay my
The market's getting crazy, and oh my god, this is the worst thing to really look at. When you anticipated the market to go in that direction, it takes you out and continues in that direction as you anticipated.
I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. You a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way. You can't hang around my block. And I just check my conference.
Okay, let us get another move.
I bet you dipsy, dipsy, dip. I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold. So that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll no rolls. I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of them niggas to say. I go to dinner and steak. Only the real can relate.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, which is Pocket Options.
I just wanna check the mail, another check from all the shots. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes.
You guys are interesting. Risking the Ferrari.
Don't get comfortable, look.
And dance now, I make money moves.
Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves, bloody moves.
Okay, our first attempt is in.
Drive.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All you girls in here.
Drive.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night.
Guys, first tell me. I have a trading question. Actually, this is a psychology question. When you have had a very crazy when you have had crazy losses, how do you immediately react? For example, it's just 1 minute past you blowing your account to zero. How do you react? How do you react? Share your experience with me. How do you react to losses?
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist and it, bitch. I think you ain't bigger than this. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. Dollar
All right. I need to know more traders. I know there is actually I don't unless someone is just a beginner, but I believe every trader in their trading time they have really had a crazy time when they have blown their account. So how do you react, guys? Personally, when I've really, the times I would blow my account, oh my god, crazy days. The times I would blow my account, some days I would just close my PC, take a walk. Some days I would just cry. Some days I would just cry. But there is always that feeling of, damn, what was I doing the whole time? Actually, I feel like the few minutes after blowing your account, what really comes to your mind is, what was the whole point of rushing? Why was I forcing trades? Actually, I would play the blame game. I don't know if you guys blame yourselves. You blame yourself because most of my times I would be blowing accounts. It would be because I was impatient. Maybe you'd find me I'm buying and selling in the same zone. I don't know if you have been in that situation where you're buying and selling in the same zone and you're not just having like about 2 positions, you're having about 10 positions buying and selling at the same time. So after your account being wiped out, of course you're going to find your buys are in the loss and your sells are in the loss because you're impatient and all that. So after blowing the account, I would blame myself more and judge myself for not being a good trader. That's how it has always been. Tell me girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, getting paranoid of the same things. How did you get? Alright guys, remember I am trading binary options, and with binary options you can see my expiration time is little. So that is the essence of it all. To get a shorter trading session. Actually, when I was still trading Forex, guys, like I shared yesterday, I would have longer hours sometimes. But when it comes to trading, you just pick your session. I do believe when I was still doing Forex, I would have like 2 trading sessions. We all know I would be trading the London and be trading New York. But even the London, I would just pick about 1 hour. Then later, New York session, I would be trading about 2 hours or 3, depending on how it is. So same with binary options. You just pick your time and you just fully lock in. And I do believe, honestly, these hours are even less based on how long I used to trade actually. The only difference is the more you're consistently in the market. Guys, you see me here every night. And it's not like something I've just started doing this year or any. I've always been a trader. So the more you're really you're consistently in the market, it just becomes part of you. It's like waking up and you do your routine, your everyday routine. It's like trading is part of my life now. Every day I know that I have to pick this time. Imagine just that how many times do we have in a day? And you just pick a few times just to lock in. 2 hours can be less. It's just you and me. Sometimes it feels like there's all right. We have hit our target. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to Theo. Let me see type congratulations to Theo. Wear it all over you. I'm gonna mark my territory. Just one participant to go. Guys, let me see type more congrats to Theo.
Yo, where the panels are bad man? Yo, you know enough for day after
my brother, greet me where I'm from, we greet well. Brother, not be your ears again, this.
Our first attempt is already moving well. Are you seeing this, guys? Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in.
Plus the yellow girl. I'm on too.
Dog. You really risk your life, yeah, girl.
I'm ready to risk it all.
Alright, everything good, yeah. Everything good.
Everything good.
Plus one two. Juice.
Risky, yes, your body risky.
Risky.
For you.
Crouch Beach.
Big way. 5 days, 10 days.
Trading is a skill that you build with time. Same with discipline. Trading discipline is something that you build with time. So the more you really lock in and with what you want to fully lock in with, there are a lot of things that trading comprises of, but it is you to pick a few things that you want to really be trading with. Your strategy, your discipline, your patience, your risk management. If you pick them out, then you also focus on being consistent with that particular strategy, particular risk management, particular entry models. That's what trading is all about. Come on. Oh my God. Damn. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Next time better. Okay, congratulations to all our participants for tonight. And to all participants who didn't go well, next time better. Next time better. We are gonna do better. The platform that I'm using to trade, guys, it's Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. I have a Signal group, guys. All you have to do is to create an account with my link. Then you write to me via Telegram. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram. Yeah, there's a link down in the description. I'll surely add you to the Telegram group for my signals. Every night we are always here 8 p.m. UK time, so be sure to mark your attendance early. This is a trading assembly. You know how we'll be doing it. We'll be sharing, we'll be moving the markets. I'll be sharing my strategy. That's how it always is. So be sure to join the trading assembly and learn more. Catch up with fellow traders and learn with us. Big money, so what's funny? Will be risky, body whiskey, get tipsy. All right, guys, good night. I love you so much. Bye.